Hi everybody, welcome to the J. Michelle Show. Today I have a very special guest for you girls, the Girl Scout founder, Juliette Lowe.
Hi guys!
Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
My pleasure. So Juliette, where are you from?
I am from Savannah, Georgia and was born on October 31st, 1860.
Ooh, Halloween baby. That's cool. Did that influence you at all?
No, not much during the time.
Who is your biggest inspiration in the making of Girl Scouts?
My biggest inspiration in the founding of Girl Scouts is Sir Robert Baden-Powell, the founder of Boy Scout. I really loved the new youth movement in the early 20th century. I just had to start the same thing with girls.
Wow, very inspiring. So what did you do in your spare time?
During my spare time, I would draw. My grandma had a picture of a statue of her on her horse. Every day after school, I would go and paint the picture. Whenever I was done with the picture, I would give it to her as a present on Christmas.
Wow, lucky when I was able to draw for my life.
It's okay, you have many talents yourself.
Well, thank you. What did you teach the girls in Girl Scouts?
In Girl Scouts, I would teach the girls how to gain self-reliance and resourcefulness. I also taught them not just to prepare for making, but future roles as women in the arts, sciences, and business.
Wow, that's great. It's great to hear how many girls appreciate your work. Thank you again for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you everybody for watching. Come back next time to the J. Michelle Show.